everybody, and welcome to Sonoran Living. I'm Susan Casper, and Terry, I'm sorry, what are you doing? You're a tiny little thing. What are you doing?
Look at me, Susan. I am pulling a 400-pound AC unit, and I'm talking to you at the same time, and I'm doing it in high heels.
Wow,
How cool is
that's
that?
impressive.
This cart is like having an extra person with me every day. Hi, I'm Courtney Brown, and I've worked in the HVAC business for over 12 years. Like many tradesmen, I've spent years hand-carrying equipment and tools in and out of countless work sites. Finally, I realized there's an easier way, and that's why I developed the Ultimate Cart and Dolly system. Heavy duty and easy to assemble, the Ultimate Cart and Dolly easily transports heavy air conditioning unit, water heaters, as well as tools and accessories needed at your work site. You can use the Ultimate Cart and Dolly instead of expensive crane rentals on ground-mounted installations. For light commercial rooftop installations, the Ultimate Cart and Dolly can be used to position multiple units. What sets it apart from other industrial carts on the market today are the useful accessories, flat-free tires, and heavy construction. The Ultimate Cart and Dolly is easy to transport. The mounting bracket fits into a small standard receiving hitch.